My favorite deadbolts, and especially my favorite electronic deadbolts, are the Slage or Slage series. They're just heavy duty, they last. So this is a very simple one. We're gonna unbox one, we're gonna set it up, we're gonna reprogram it, show you how to work the key, everything on this deadbolt. I really like it. It's simple, it's basic, it's a workhorse. It does the trick. They call it the BE365. It comes in different, different colors, some different face plates. Basically, it's a workhorse. I really like it. It works well. So let's just see what we got here. So this is from the factory. So thumb turn on the inside, deadbolt. Again, extremely simple lock. And that's what makes it so durable. And keys. This isn't from the factory. When we get all our stock comes in, right off the bat, we cut we cut 5 keys and we throw it in the box. The only downside, but it's not really, it takes a 9-volt battery. When this thing starts the battery goes dead, this will give off a warning, like beep, just like your smoke detector bugs the heck out of you. You get a little beep, beep, then it just will die. But you've had lots of warning. I haven't tried a rechargeable. They say don't put a rechargeable, but I have put lithium, and lithium batteries are a real pain, except for they last a long time, but they give you like half a beep, beep, that they're dead, and then they die. So they keep peak power, and then they give a little beep, and then they're dead. At least with the alkaline batteries, the battery power goes down, 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 and it starts beeping and warning you. Up to a week, sometimes the thing's going beep on you. So that's why we recommend alkaline batteries. Rechargeables, I really don't know. They don't recommend you put rechargeables. I don't know why. Maybe I'll hook one up. We'll see what happens. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.